Hey guys, not much to go over today because basically the prediction of it breaking to the downside just came into fruition, and now we're in the short where we're just waiting for it to hit the technical target. So there's a lot of things we can go over in terms of like how do we should react to today's FOMC meeting, um, and whether or not you should enter a short now if you haven't already. Um, I'm going to say yes. I just actually recently entered a short on a lower risk account, and I have a short on another account as well. Um, but yeah, we'll go into it together. But first, I want to flex the profits for the community really quick. So, telling the scalper, good job, 10x leverage trade for 24% gain. Jeremy, one of our coaches, shorted Bitcoin for a 70% gain with 50x leverage. Ari, another one of our coaches, 25% gain, shorting Solana. Yeah, so we got Moody 2 times. He's actually relatively new to our channel and is already doing really good gains. Did the mindset trading right on. Good job. It helps a lot, believe it or not. So 56% gains off shorting AXS, which I believe is actually Infinity. 20x leverage. Also, Dot, 58% gain. And shorting, is this the same thing? Oh yeah, I did it on two separate accounts. That's cool. So you shorted 20x leverage with 59% gain. I think this is the same screenshot. Yeah, these are two of the same screenshots, and also a 20x leverage gain off of Dot again with a separate account. Awesome. And Easy Loot with two take profits on Solana, 80% gain, 20x leverage, 105% gain or 20x leverage on Solana, and 81% gain again. I think that we'll see if they're the same entry. No, they're not the same entry. All right. So 81% gain, 97% gain. So you guys are basically doubling your money right now. That's awesome. You keep that up. But yeah, let's dive into it and see how we can get some more gains. All right, cool. All right, so let's look at first Bitcoin really quick. So Bitcoin is looking pretty rough. So basically, we got this parabolic curve that we've been tracking for a while now. It just got the confirmation rejection right here. And it also came in confluence with this level of support flipping as resistance. So we got that rejection. We got a rejection here as well. So we got a rejection here off of the rising wedge right here. And we are just getting the rejection off of the descending channel right here. So yesterday we broke the ascending channel to the upside. Probably got a lot of people caught in long positions. And then, you know, how the New York session usually goes. They try to catch you in a long, and then they melt you on the long way down. Because they want your Bitcoin, guys. So basically, this is, if you haven't been able to enter here, this is basically the last location where it's kind of safe to enter. I entered here actually with a low risk account with a lower amount. So for any reason it actually breaks through this and comes up and retests this one more time, I will dollar cost average and then have my stop loss in place. So if it does end up breaking back into the rising wedge, which is definitely possible, I'll have my stop loss in place to protect my capital. But yeah, guys, so what we got to look out for along the way down is support. So we got support levels here at 22,800. So if we start seeing a reversal pattern build around here, this is where we should be taking profits if it breaks the reversal pattern's resistance, right? And then we would take some of our profits off the table, at least 50%. We're going to go over to my other chart really quick, because I got a lot more support levels built on here. We got an area of interest right here at 22,100 we got to pay attention to, and we got to pay attention to 21,700. The technical target, like I said before, is going to be roughly around 21,000. So we may see Bitcoin come all the way down, and there's this uptrending level of support here that I'm also tracking. Now this is like not 100% sure that this will actually be respected support, but I want to keep my eye on it just in case we start building like an uptrending channel. So I just want to be prepared for something like that. If we end up coming down, we may see a bounce around off this red line right here. And if you're in the community, this is the coordinates right here, guys. If you want to screenshot the trend line coordinates really quick, and then you can add that to your chart as well, or you can just copy my chart, which is accessible to the community as well. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin, guys. We have CPI data coming out today, but it's relatively predictable. So yes, last month it was like 9, although the prediction is 9.8 is the forecast, and the actual is 10.1, and they're doing a meeting about it at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. So expect a lot of volatility in about 2 hours. So if you're relatively new to trading and you're not familiar with the FOMC meetings, I recommend not trading during these times because the volatility can get you stopped out if you don't give your stop loss enough breathing room. Usually during that hour, the candle of that hour is just insane. It just goes up and down like crazy. People trade off of single words that Powell says. I believe it's Bowman's talking today, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything I got for you. So everything's coming out into play as we thought it would. The buyer's exhaustion's it's starting to kick in. So the sell pressure, the bears are starting to take over a little bit. We're just giving them, they're just giving us some decent prices. That's all they're doing. So if you guys want to sell your Bitcoin to me, go ahead. I'll buy it. I'll just collect more money along the way down, and then once we start seeing that support bounce, we'll find our next long position, so we can ride it together to the moon. But yep, that's everything I got for you guys. If you have any questions about this, you can reach out to me in the Discord. Have yourself an amazing day, and don't forget to comment and subscribe for a chance to win one of our courses for free. Thank you, guys.